Pero naman ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang patungkol po sa National Science and Technology Week. And to know more about us, let us all welcome our very special guest. We have Asek Ordua Tejada ng Department of Science and Technology. Good morning, Asek. Welcome to Good Morning, Boss.
Good morning, Dayan, and good morning to everyone listening to Good Morning, Boss.
Alright, Asek, to start off, tomorrow na ang start ng National Science and Technology Week. So can you tell us more about this?
The National Science and Technology, the theme Philippines, a country innovating for global competitiveness, will start its celebration on July 24. That will be tomorrow at 9 o'clock at SMX Convention Center. Kaya lahat ho kayo inaanyayahan namin at ang activity ay hanggang July 28.
So, July 24 to 28, this is a week-long celebration.
Week-long celebration.
Okay, so what are the series of activities that you'll be doing? Bukas,
ang opening ceremonies namin, ang highlight ng ating celebration bukas ay ila-launch namin yung One Connect. Ito yung free Wi-Fi access to everybody at saka sa loob mismo ng SMX ang iyong Wi-Fi connection. So, One Connect, nandyan din ang ating road train na nabanggit na rin ni Asek Moliboro at saka si Secretary Montejo sa kanilang previous interviews.
Alright, National Science and Technology Week. This is actually a perfect venue for new innovations, new technologies on how we can better help the lives of the Filipino people. So, dito maraming mga exhibitors, participants. Alamin naman natin ano yung mga mangyayari or ano yung mga activities pagdating naman sa regional.
Sa regional operations or sa regional offices, ang aming activities ay mag-uumpisa sa July 25. Mag-uumpisa kami sa Set-up Forum. Ito yung mga Small Enterprise and Technology Upgrading Program ng Department of Technology. At ito ay bibigyan namin ng parangal or pagkikilala sa mga outstanding na beneficiaries ng set-up. Ito yung assistance ng DOST sa mga small, medium, or micro, small, and medium enterprises. Okay. So, sa 16 regional offices, meron kaming isang outstanding regional entrepreneur, and then pipili kami doon ng isa lamang para na-i-award natin lahat sa 25. At ilalaunch din namin yung One Store, yung online experts, at saka yung One Lab.
Actually, Asek, very jam-packed yung mangyayari sa National Science and Technology Week before we were able to interview yung livestock. Meron din tayong exhibit pagdating sa marami mga mangyayari. May seminars, forums, and trainings.
May forum, may fora tayo. Meron tayong, kasi i-approach lahat yung mga 8 outcomes like agriculture, enterprise development, industry competitiveness, quality education, e-health, at lahat-lahat.
And Asek, I believe hindi lang pampamilya yan dahil yung mga kids, pwede sila mag-enjoy. Dahil I believe meron sa Ocean Park na mangyayari. So, can you tell us more about this?
Marami tayong interactive exhibits kasi para sa ating mga kids. At saka ang science education ay maglulunsad ng isang educational, promotional activities for our students.
And this is open to the public?
This is open to the public. You're
no
invited.
Entrance fee?
No entrance fee. Come anytime you want. We start at 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. You can interact with the exhibits. Marami rin ho tayong yung selling area na ipapakita lahat ang produkto ng ating mga micro, medium, and small enterprises na assisted by the OST. So please come all. We will enjoy the National Science and Technology Week.
Again, Asek, para dun sa mga viewers natin na interesado, July 24 to 28 National Science and Technology Week. This will be held at SMX Convention Center. At syempre, this is open to the public. Libre po, kaya pumunta na po ang buong pamilya dahil may libreng Wi-Fi.
Makikita natin yung hybrid road train, makikita ninyo yung different exhibits, mula agriculture hanggang industry, maganda ho, at saka interactive exhibits ng mga to. So, you are all cordially invited to the National Science and Technology Week.
Alright, thank you so much for joining us this morning. That was Asek Ordua Tejada from Department of Science and Technology Week.